Hi there mga beloved yung soulmates! Welcome to Red Soul Tarot Channel. Andito lang po yung lingkod para bigyan kayo ng isang soulful, meaningful at reading. Dito lamang po sa inyo lagi nabangan at sinusubaybay na Red Soul Tarot Channel. Ang ating po reading na pagsasamahan ay isang reading para sa buwan ng May 2026 para sa ating mga pinakamahal na nasa sign ng Pisces. Pisces, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus sign, this is for you. Kapag bago po kayo sa ating channel at nagustuhan niyo po or nakaresonate po kayo sa ating reading, ay huwag po kayo mahiyang mag-comment, like, share, and of course, mag-subscribe po. And if you're watching this video sa ating TikTok account, RenzoTaro444, paki-follow na rin po. And if you want to avail a private reading, mag-message po kayo sa akin. Please, kapag mayroon po mag-chat sa inyo, mag-offer ng private reading, hindi po ako yon, scammer po yan. And kayo lang po, dapat ang una mag-message po sa akin. So, pag-usapan po natin kung paano kayo makakapag-avail ng private reading. Alright? Sige, huwag nating patagalin pa ito. Pisces, kunin na natin ang iyong 10 cards for your reading sa buwan ng May 2026. Spirit Universe, Spirit Gates, Angels, Ancestors, Holy Spirit, Saint Michael. 10 cards please for Pisces. Alright? So, kamusta po kayong lahat? I hope you're doing great. You're healthy. You're safe, and of course, you're happy. Spirit Universe, Spirit Gates, Angels, Ancestors, Holy Spirit, Saint Michael. Ating mga soulmates sa buong Pilipinas at sa buong mundo, ating mga FWs, I hope you're okay. Mag-iingat po kayo lagi, ha? You're always on my prayers. Alright, Pisces, your 10 cards are now ready. Huwag natin patagalin pa ito. Sige. Alright, let's begin, Pisces, with your first card para sa iyong reading para sa buwan ng May is the Emperor. Okay, Pisces, I can see here that a male energy, a masculine energy here na Pisces, or someone na parang like that one, masculine energy na you are in a position of being pressured, or it's like a commanding authority. It's like ikaw yung nape-pressure dito, or ikaw yung parang gumagawa ng direction or gumagawa ng action dito. It's more on parang busy. It's like your energy is around the place. Nakikita ko dito, Pisces, na more on action ito, more on parang taking risk, and also making a lot of decisions dito. Kasi parang late for a long time, parang medyo naging complacent kayo, parang medyo laylo kayo sa mga activities, sa mga decision na gagawin nyo. But now with the Emperor card here, I can feel, Pisces, that it's more on taking action. Ang daming ganap ngayon, ang daming mong gustong gawin, ang daming mong sinisimulan, ang daming mga, meetings, activities na nangyayari ngayon. So with the World card here, Pisces, expect it's like an opportunity that will be opening for you to start all over again. Panibagong simula ito sa buhay mo. Sabi ko nga, Pisces, isa kayo sa pinaka naapektuhan for almost 2 to 3 years. Ang daming nangyaring problema, ang daming mga painful experiences na dumating sa inyo. And with the movement of Saturn in Aries ng nakaraang February, I can see na it's more on unti-unti lang gumaagaan ang nararamdaman nyo, although it's not totally healed, you're not totally naka-move on, but still there's an improvement. With the World card here, nakikita natin na unti-unti na talagang i-improve or gumaganda ang kalagayan mo dito. Alright? So, tuloy-tuloy na ito para sa Pisces. Knight of Pentacles, also expect continuous growth and development or pag-improve ng kaperahan mo. With the Knight of Pentacles here, I can see na isa rin sa naapektuhan sa'yo these past months and years is like how you control or how you manage finances. Parang hindi mo masyadong nahawakan or na monitor ng maayos, na manage ng maayos ang kaperahan mo nitong mga nakaraang buwan at nakaraang taon. Puro, although meron naman, pero parang napunta sa wala, parang nawaldas, o parang hindi mo alam kung saan napunta. But with the Knight of Pentacles here, Pisces, expect, it's like being mindful. Makikita ko dito na magiging matalino ka na, alam mo na lahat ng mga desisyon na gagawin mo, magsisave ka na everything for your stability in terms of finances here, Pisces. Alright? So, in terms of money, I can see it's like, marami ka nang tutunan, marami ka nang gagawin how to save it and how to improve it. Hindi tulad ng dati na puro labas, puro gastos, hindi mo alam kung saan napunta yung mga kaperahan mo. Di ba, Pisces? So, Ace of Swords, so this signifies a new beginning for you. And you're going to take risk. Meron kang susubukan dito na parang labas sa comfort zone mo. Hindi ka komportable dito, but you think it is very necessary. Kailangan mo itong gawin, Pisces, for your growth. Kasi hindi mo malalaman kung hanggang saan ka kung hindi mo susubukan. Okay, Ace of Swords is about taking risk, about taking action. Kung may mga gusto kong gawin na medyo nagda-doubt ka pa sa sarili mo or medyo natatakot ka pa, this is the best time if you watch this video na gawin na ito. Okay? You need to make an action. You need to do it. You need hindi mo pwedeng pigilan ang sarili mo, hindi mo pwedeng pigilan ang nararamdaman mo or nagkugustuhan ng puso at damdamin mo. Although, hindi, sabi ko nga, hindi ka komportable dito kasi this is something new, something fresh for you, but it is needed. It is necessary para mas lalo kang mag-grow, Pisces. Alright? So, panglima mong baraha is the Justice card. So, this is fairness. Siguro kung may mga Pisces before na parang nakaranas ng betrayal, nakaranas ng pagtatraitor, mga taong tumalikod sa'yo, parang puro unfair ang nangyaring mga bagay. With the Justice card, expect makasunod pa sila ng Ace of Swords. Itong bagong opportunity na papasukin mo na mag-take risk ka or parating sa'yo, you will feel you're going to experience the fairness here with the Justice card. Parang ito yung klase ng pangarap mo or trabaho, business, or whatever situation na kumbaga dito ka makakaramdam na appreciated ka, rewarded. Okay, yung mga paghihirap mo o mga pagod mo, yung skills mo, mapabayaran ng tama. It's like everything will be fair para sa the Justice card here. So, of course, if everything is fair, makakapagtrabaho ka na maayos, masaya ka, kontento ka, and everything will be so productive for you, Pisces. Okay? Expect fairness, expect balance with everything. Pisces, tuloy-tuloy na ito para sa'yo. Right? So, we have 5 cards more here in the second row. Pisces, ulitin ko, kapag di pa po kayo nakasubscribe sa ating YouTube channel, please do subscribe po. And if you di pa po kayo follow po sa ating TikTok account, Resotara444. Please do follow and avail a private reading. Mag-message po kayo sa akin. Hindi po ako mag-message sa inyo para mag-offer ng private reading. Scammer po yan. Alright? So, let's continue para sa buwan ng May 2026. Page of Cups, expect, sabi ko, improvement not only with finances, not only with love life, but with the Page of Cups here, everything, workplace, job, so makikita mo na yung mga sign o may in-applyan ka mga trabaho lately, may parang you're waiting for a sign for something na gustong-gusto mo talaga at di mo pa nakikita yung mga, may inaantay kang parang factors or signs here. In a Page of Cups, expect na makikita mo ito because this is a harvest season for you. It's like a culmination of the things that you really wanted. Okay? Pinagpuyatan mo ito, pinakagastusan mo ito, nilaban mo ito. And with the Page of Cups here, you are bound to harvest it. Okay? So, I can see with the Emperor card, may mga mapopromote dito, maaaring maging manager. If you're waiting for a result of promotion, if you're expecting a promotion, this is a very good sign for you by May 2026 to expect it. Alright? So, Pisces, by May 2026 with the 7 of Cups here, I can see you really wanted to do more. Sa May 2026, mabibisi ka sa dami ng gusto mong gawin. Di mo malalaman kung alin ang uunahin mo. This is a good problem for you, Pisces. Because a lot of opportunities will be opening for you. So, it's up to you. Kasi the World card is here. It's something new talaga na papasukin mo. This is something fresh, something new beginning for you that will be unfolding in your life. And with the 7 of Cups here, this is card signifies, pinapatunayan ng card ito na talagang a lot of opportunities will be knocking on your doors. Alright? So, malayo doon, Pisces, sa dating buwan, mga taon na parang limited ang mga galaw mo, limited ang opportunities na pumapasok, sinatsaga mo na lang kasi wala ka namang choice. But comes May 2026, it's like a windfall of opportunities will be pouring for you, will be falling into your place. So, this is a good problem. I-claim mo na ito, Pisces. Ang daming opportunities. Kung mag-fail ka man sa isa, marami ka pang backup, marami ka pang pwedeng sa pasukan or i-consider dito. Sige, for your 8 card para sa yung reading for May 2026, Page of Swords. It's more on being brave, being, kumbaga, ipakita mo kung sino ka. You need to fight for everything that you're dreaming of, that you really wanted to. Hindi to pwedeng aatras ka na naman, ipapagpaliban mo. It's because you're going to consider other people's situation or other people's reaction. No. Okay, Page of Swords, is telling you, Pisces, na sa buwan ng May 2026, hindi na pwedeng tahimik na lang or magko-consider ka pa, parang, isipin mo pa yung sasabihin ng ibang tao. You need to be brave, you need to say what you want to say, sabihin mo kung ano, iparamdam mo kung nararamdaman mo, hindi to pwedeng ikaw yung mag-a-adjust lagi. By May 2026, ipakita mo kung sino ka, ipakita mo kung ano talaga, ipadama mo, sabihin mo talaga kung anong gustong-gusto mong mangyari dito with the Page of Swords. Alright? So, pang-siyam mong baraha is the 3 of Wands. So, this is a very beautiful card because you are going to embark on a journey, Pisces, in a situation where you will be so happy, you will be appreciated, you will be feeling contented. After all the disappointments, after all the what is this? The frustrations, pagtatraidor, betrayal, sa mga sakit, sa damdamin na binigay sa'yo na naranasan mo, mga taong tumalikod sa'yo, mga taong hinusgahan ka. So here comes the Three of Wands. You're ready to face a new chapter of your life again, where this is the kind of life that talagang ito yung gusto mo. Dito ka magiging masaya. Dito with the color of joy and celebration here na yellow colors, it's something about na talagang ma-appreciate ka naman. Okay, mamahalin ka. This is where you belong. You will be valued by the people na talagang nakakakilala sa'yo or talagang tunay na pinapahalagan ka. Okay? So, claim mo na ito because Ace of Swords here, you're going to embark on a new journey of your life wherein you will feel loved and appreciated, Pisces. Alright? So, tapusin natin itong 10th and last card, itong May 2026 reading mo with your 10th and last card, Pisces, King of Pentacles. So, dati, kung mga nakaraang buwan at taon with the Justice card, sabi ko parang hindi naging favorable para sa'yo, walang fairness na nangyari sa mga sitwasyon, especially with money related. So by May 2026, magiging okay na ang lahat. Sabi ko nga, itong mga bagong papasukan mo, itong mga bagong opportunities na maring magbukas sa'yo, that is a place where, kumbaga sabi ko, magiging patas ang lahat. Mababayaran ka ng tama, mabibigyan ka ng incentives, bonuses, okay, your skills will be appreciated, you will be rewarded, kumbaga talagang makikilala yung galing mo dito. And of course, with the Justice card here, this is where you feel na talagang valued ka sa lugar na yan, sa relationship na yan, sa friendship na yan. Kumbaga, it's like, it's like both sides ay parang walang lamangan with the Justice card here. Especially with the King of Pentacles, this is stability and abundance. Malaki talaga kami tutulong sa'yo in terms of salary, incentives, or money making, makakapag-save ka dito. It's because this new situation na talagang parating sa'yo will be filled with fairness with the Justice card here, and with the Ace of Swords here, new beginning, World card here, okay? A new life will be opening for you. Makikita mo talaga. Everything will be revealed in May 2026. You just need to be brave, to be courageous. Hindi na to pwedeng i-consider mo pang ibang tao lagi. Okay? There's a harvest season for you. If you're waiting for a sign, for a promotion or elevation of a certain position, it is very certain. I-claim na to Pisces. Alright? So, thank you so much. I'm wishing you all the best in life. Thank you so much, Pisces, sa inyong walang sawang tiwala, support at pagmamahal sa inyong lingkod, sa inyong muling pagsama. Hanggang sa susunod nating pagkikita, ha? Mag-iingat kayo lagi. God bless us all.